In the fight against segregation, Rosa Parks is often hailed as a hero for refusing to give up her seat on that fateful bus ride in Montgomery, Alabama. But did you know that there was another courageous woman who took a stand before Rosa? Meet Claudette Colvin, the unsung hero whose actions would pave the way for Rosa Parks and the civil rights movement. Claudette Colvin was just 15 years old when she made her own stand against segregation on a bus in Montgomery. On March 2, 1955, Claudette refused to give up her seat to a white passenger, just like Rosa Parks would do 9 months later. The incident was met with harsh consequences. Claudette was arrested, humiliated, and faced threats from the community. Yet, her bravery did not receive the same recognition as Rosa Parks. So, why didn't Claudette's actions spark the same movement that Rosa's did? Simple, the timing wasn't right. Civil rights leaders felt that Claudette's young age and being an unwed mother would not garner enough support for a legal challenge. But Claudette's actions did inspire Rosa Parks and others, reminding them that change was possible. Claudette Colvin's courageous stand played a vital role in paving the way for the Montgomery Bus Boycott and the eventual desegregation of buses in Alabama. Today, we must honor the brave women of the civil rights movement like Claudette Colvin, Rosa Parks, and countless others who fought tirelessly for equality. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories of the unsung heroes who shaped history.